So beautiful. The sound of life of beautiful birds. I had birds before. I'm trying to see where they're at. I can't see where they're at. Thank you, Jesus, for today. Thank you for loving me when I feel a lack of love. I know you will never leave me, forsake me, and I'm grateful and thankful for that. Beautiful. Listen how they talk to each other. The beautiful nature of life that God gives us every day. May Jesus be with you. May God love you and wrap his arms around you when you're sad like me. Just remember, he loves you unconditional. When mankind turns their back against you, Jesus said, I will never leave you or forsake you. I love you. I pray for your blessings to come true for you and your family. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification for more content. Hit the thumbs up. Let me know you liked the video. Let's grow together, sisters and brothers.